This is our room review of the Imperial Hotel in Blackpool. We had a double bed and a single bed, so for 3 people. Very comfy beds. Bit of artwork of Blackpool there. Nice little touch. All the tea, coffee, sugars and biscuits are all put in bags because of the COVID pandemic. Also, the remote control was put in a bag to show that it had been cleaned. Trouser press there, we never used. Bathroom, really nice and clean. Nice shower, warm water, few soaps and a couple of shampoos. Bit more artwork. Yeah, nice stay here in the Imperial. Wardrobe here with ironing board, iron, a few coat hangers. Nice size room, comfortable for everybody. We had a great stay here, really enjoyed it, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone.